Steel service centers. Products and advantages. This video takes an in-depth look at steel service centers. Here's what you'll learn. What is a steel service center? Advantages of a steel service center. Products offered by steel service centers. And much more. Chapter 1. What is a steel service center? Chapter 2. What are the advantages of using a steel service center? Cost effectiveness and lower steel procurement expenses. Service center quality and assurance. Centralized source for diverse steel products. Shorter lead times and reliable steel delivery. Focus on core competencies to accelerate business growth. How to choose the right steel service center for your needs. Chapter 3. What products are typically offered by steel service centers? Steel service centers typically offer the following types of steel alloys. Stainless steel. Steel service centers provide a range of stainless steel grades. The two most prevalent grades are Grade 304 stainless steel, Grade 316 stainless steel, Carbon steel, low carbon steel, medium carbon steels, high carbon steels, high-strength steel, spring steel, tool steel, there are 6 classes of tool steel grades. Steel service centers offer a range of steel products to their clients, including the following: aluminized steel, aluminized steel comes in two distinct varieties. Galvanized steel, hot-rolled steel, cold-rolled steel, steel tubing, welded tubing, seamless tubing, steel plates, steel sheets, steel foils, steel beams, I-beams, plate girders, steel wires, conclusion. Please visit www.iqsdirectory.com to find the right steel service centers for your needs.